In this video, we will walk through the steps for mounting the Channel Master FM antenna. You will need a 1/2-inch wrench. Step 1. Mounting the bracket. Clamp the U-bolt and the two parts of the mounting bracket around the mast or pole. Then, install the included 1/2-inch nuts onto the U-bolt and tighten until the mounting bracket is secure. Step 2. Attaching the antenna to the bracket. Place the boom clamp around the antenna as shown. Then, attach the boom clamp to the bracket using the included 1/2-inch bolts. Step 3. Attaching coaxial cable to the antenna. Loosen the thumb screw on the bracket holding the balun matching transformer. Then, attach your coaxial cable to the balun as shown. Finally, tighten the thumb screw to keep the balun secure against the bottom of the antenna. This concludes the mounting of the Channel Master FM antenna. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.